look like I'm kind of know what I'm doing. Hey, what's up, Conquerors? Kristen here, and welcome back to my channel. We talk all about faith, fashion, and female empowerment, and today I am so excited to see your beautiful faces, and even though I cannot see you, I know that you are just absolutely gorgeous because you are made in the image of God. So I just wanted to share that encouragement with you, but tell you that yes, you are poppin', sis. So let's just get right into the video. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite brands. I'm doing a full face, a fast face actually. So I'm not going to be talking this whole time because I'm actually going to try to put myself on a time limit. So I'm really not out here just like wasting all y'all time just watching me do makeup. But I really wanted to highlight this brand because it is absolutely amazing. Melissa Butler is the founder. She is a native Detroiter and she is just fabulous. She stumbled upon makeup. She actually did not go to school for it. Her story is absolutely incredible. If you can find her, tell it somewhere. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Long story short, she created the Lip Bar, which is a cosmetic line. It's absolutely vegan, cruelty free, and it's popping. Like the colors, everything is just amazing. It's good for the skin. So what I'm going to be featuring today is the entire fast face system. It comes with a foundation, it comes with the brush, comes with a palette, eyeliner, eyebrow, pencil, and mascara. I think I got everything, and a lip, of course. And then, if that was not enough, they also dropped some new. So I did get the concealer, and I'm excited to try that as well. And I also picked up some eyeshadows. Some I got from Target, and some I actually ordered from them as well. So I'm just excited to get right into this video. Let's talk about the lip bar, guys. Okay, first things first, my face is already moisturized from my daily skincare. However, I am going to use this Lancome Genifique. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's just a free serum that I got on my birthday. And I use it as a primer for my makeup. So, I'm just going to put a little bit like that. Cool. So what we're going to start with is the foundation. I am color 406 in their 4 o'clock range, 406. And yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. Now what is the coolest thing about it is that it came with its own built-in brush. So what you do is you squeeze from the bottom, the foundation will come through the brush, and it is just, it's just amazing, guys. Like that is just, it is so convenient. Because a little goes a long way, I'm actually just going to squeeze it one time and get that one little dot that y'all see there. And this might actually cover almost my whole face. So we are completely blended with the foundation. It is just, it's flawless. Like, guys, this is amazing. So you can see that coverage. It is beautiful. Now let's get into some new stuff. This is the concealer and the eyeshadow I bought. So I did get the one for the 400 face. So the eyeshadows I got are Jet Setter and Hot Tamale, and these look gorgeous. I purchased the duo set in the color Just Got Paid. So, and guys, I just love this packaging. Like, let's just get into it. It is so dope. This is stunning. Okay. So that's what we're looking like. So this is definitely my highlight concealer. So let's put it in right under here. little on my forehead, nose. Now, what I will say is that I do wish I got a color to contour with, but it's cool because I'll just use the palette in the Fast Face kit, but I do kind of wish that I had the contour concealer as well. But it's okay, I got time. So I'm actually gonna use their dual-ended brush to blend in this foundation. It has like this side that I use for everything, honestly. I use it for the blush, the highlighter, and then this is the contour side, but I am gonna use this to pat in my concealer. And wow, this is awesome. You see that highlight? Make sure that we get that real sharp, you know? Get them cheekbones, you know? This is funny because this is how you fake cheekbones, you know? Contour game. I'm really obsessed with this concealer. Literally the formula is so creamy, but it's so pigmented. Like, I feel like my entire face just got a facelift. Like, concealer facelift. Look at it. So cool. So we've got our concealer set. Now we're gonna follow up with the Minute Finish Face Palette. And this palette is literally my holy grail. Like, you can use it anytime, any day. So I go in with this color to just kind of set my concealer all around my face. And it just gives it a nice like warmth. Flashback is still a thing. It's still a thing. So it just kind of sets it all in. That's what I really appreciate about it. Okay, next I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna flip the brush to the other side and use this dark color. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Your girl loves a good cheekbone. Put it into, I don't even know what this is called, but you know, forehead area. Just a little bit on the sides to blend. Get that other cheek. So when I was taught contour, they said that it goes in threes. So it's like boom, boom. Well, that's three. That is just kind of what I do. No, I don't know who told me that. I don't know where that rule came from. Not sure, guys. Cool. So I'm actually gonna use the blush in the Just Got Paid palette instead. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh, wow. It's just dreamy, y'all. It's just dreamy. Like, you just gotta feel like a princess. I blush lightly all around just to like give my face some color, some warmth. I don't even really know how to explain it better than that. But I kind of go crazy with the blush. Okay, to finish up the face, we're gonna hit our cheeks with a little highlight. Does this have a name? The highlight is called So Icy. Get a little bit on our nose. also on our cupid toe. We are now going to do our brows. So I really just color it in a little bit. What I love about this brow pencil is that it's dual-ended. So this end you can, like, you know, you can color with, right? And then this end is a gel to do, you know, all your gelling and your brushing. So dual-ended is just so simple and so easy. So she did her thing when she was just thinking about convenience of makeup, and that's really the goal of the entire fast-paced system. Is that it ain't supposed to be taking all day long. Like, it's just supposed to be quick. Quick, because you're just, in reality, you're just accentuating the features that you already have, you know? So, gotta love it. Cool. And there you have it, our brows. Okay. Picked up this palette. This is the Ebony Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I actually picked this up from Target. So I'm excited just to give it a try. Now, this is one thing I am just not a pro on, guys. I am just not that great at doing eyeshadow. So, you know, hopefully I get some guidance. Just a little guidance with just a little simple palette. So I'm actually gonna try the liquid eyeshadow too. So I'm just gonna put this darker color like up here in my crease area. Like so, like that. That's pretty. So my crease area turned out to be almost my whole lid, but y'all get it. Y'all get it. I hope y'all get it. Cool. This side went up a little high. But I'm gonna just leave it at that. And then I'm going to try the Hot Tamale. I'm gonna try the Hot Tamale liquid eyeshadow. So this is what we're looking at. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, they just knocked it out of the park with these packaging details. I look like I'm kind of know what I'm doing. Just really another dot. Y'all, that was only 2 steps, but I look like I belong when it comes to the makeup game and the eyeshadow game. Like, gang. I'm excited about that. I'm excited. I'm gonna go back in with this darker color. A little bit of that, just because I wanna blend. Putting that in a little bit. Cool. Okay, cool. Next we're gonna do the eyeliner. I have the black. It's called Straight Outta Patience. That is hilarious. Okay, liner done. we are going to do lashes next. Isn't this just the coolest thing? Let me just stop and just say how amazing this is, that this entire fast face system is again in one brand. Like, I have not switched brands. The only thing that y'all saw me use outside of the lip bar was my primer. This is literally all in one system. So finish this video out, but then stop what you're doing and go get the fast face, because the ease of this is amazing. Not to mention, like, this stuff is actually healthy. Like, this is Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara with green tea extract. The foundation is a skin serum foundation with hyaluronic acid and Irish moss extract. Like, so we're just over here, we're considering skincare, we're considering pigment and formulas, and again, just the brand itself, the amazing Black woman behind it. Like, all for it. We are all for it. It's a nice mascara too. Look at the difference between this eye and this. Products in the pudding, whatever that means. So we've pretty much finished our face. Now it's just time for the lip. So typically I would put on one of my favorite liquid mattes because, again, they are amazing. If you're on this channel, then that means I will link another video of where I did a try on of my current liquid matte collection from the lip bar. But today I'm actually going to just do something simple. So I'm going to line my lips with their straight no chaser liner and then come in with this Girl Boss gloss. Just cause, you know, not every day is a liquid matte day, you know, so I'm gonna switch things up a little bit. My lips are actually like too moisturized. So now that we have our lips lined, we're gonna come in with the Girl Boss gloss. And this is so pretty. And finished look. So let's get into it. Okay, Conquerors, that concludes this try on haul with the lip bar. I hope that you all enjoyed. Be sure to stick around and subscribe to the channel to make sure that you see this video, that you see the next video, because we could, again, be talking about anything. We could talk about Jesus, we could talk about fashion, we could talk about beauty, we could talk about natural hair, we can talk about female empowerment. Literally, there's just so much for you, and I believe that if you stumbled upon here, then that means that you belong here. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah. Peace, guys. So we have that. Next, we're gonna follow it up with the Okay, so cool. So maybe there's a stallion or a city girl or something, and they sing about being icy, and it's just what's in my head. But